Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset RawTherapee preferences on your Windows PC or laptop. If RawTherapee isn't working properly, keeps using incorrect settings, or you simply want to restore the default configuration, resetting the preferences can often solve the problem. Let's get started. First, make sure RawTherapee is completely closed. If it's still running, save any work you're doing and exit the program before continuing. Next, open *File Explorer* and navigate to the folder where RawTherapee stores its configuration files. On Windows, these preference files are typically located inside your user profiles, *cap data** folder. You may need to enable * hidden items * in File Explorer to see the app data folder. Once you found the RawTherapee configuration folder, rename it or delete the preference files. Renaming the folder is a safer option because you can restore it later if needed. The next time RawTherapee starts, it will automatically create a new set of default preferences. Now, launch RawTherapee again. The program will start with its default settings, so you'll need to reconfigure any custom options such as your preferred language, theme, layout, or processing preferences if you changed them previously. RawTherapee also provides a preferences window where you can adjust these settings whenever you need. If resetting the preferences doesn't fix your issue, consider reinstalling the latest version of RawTherapee to replace any missing or corrupted program files. And that's it. You now know how to reset RawTherapee preferences and restore the default settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.